Dear listener, welcome to my channel. Topic of this video is signal manipulation of discrete time signal. This video covers all basic operation on discrete time signal with examples. So first we start with the operation. First operation is time shifting, that is delay operation. Equation is y of n is equal to x of n minus k. It is right shifted or delayed version. Now see the example. Signal is 54321. Signal occupies from -2 to 2. Now this is the delay operation. Now if we delay the signal by 2 units, what will happen? As signal is started with the -2, when it is delayed, it will be start with the 0. Y of n is equal to x of n minus 2. That is k is -2. That is we are delaying the signal. Now two ways are there. Either you can do on the plot or either you can do on the paper, but I recommend that first you do all operation on the paper, and after that is the shifting of the arrow on the paper, and after that finally you plot on the paper, that is the final signal. So first we do on the paper, that is shift arrow to the left by 2. Now we require to shift the arrow to the left hand side by 2 units. So this is the arrow location, 1 unit and 2 unit. So arrow will come at 5. Now as arrow at 5 means it starts with a 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So see, you can easily check that as here signal started from -2 to 2, but when signal is delayed by 2 units, it starts at the 0 and ends at the 4th location. Note, when k is less than 0, shift arrow to the left. On the plot, the signal will shift to the right. Operation is same, only the change in visualization. Now see, this is the signal x of n, which occupies from -2 to 2. When the signal will start from delay, that is delay means it is going on the right hand side. So signal will start at the 0th location. So signal will start at the 0 and it will goes up to the 4th location. So this is nothing but the time shifting or delay operation. So just remember that whenever x of n minus k is there, shift your arrow to the left by k unit. Now this is the operation, that is manual operation. So this is only for the illustration. There is no need to write down all that steps in detailed manner. Y of 0 is equal to x of 0 minus 2. Initially our signal started from -2 to 2 location, but now we require to start the signal from the delay means from the 0th location. So y of 0 is equal to x of 0 minus 2 equal to x of -2 equal to 5. Means whatever the contents at the x minus 2 is shifted to y of 0. The content at x of -1 is shifted to y of 1. So in this way, similarly, the operation takes place. Now, next operation is advance operation, that is time shifting, but in that advance signal is there. Equation is y of n is equal to x of n plus k. It is left shifted or advance version. Same signal is there, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Signal occupies from -2 to 2. Now equation is y of n is equal to x of n plus 2, where k is equal to 2. Now the signal started with the -2, but if we make the advance, so signal will start at the earlier. If we make k equal to 2, signal will start with the -4. Signal will start with the -4 to 0. Now you can say that the signal is advanced by the 2 units. So instead of -2 starting, it starts from the -4. So in this case, you require to shift the arrow to the right by 2. Now see, this is the original arrow location. We shift to the right by 2 units. So 1 unit and 2 unit. So arrow will come at one location and here the 0 will start. Then 0, -1, -2, -3 and -4. Now you can check that the signal starts from -4 to 0th location. Note, k is greater than 0, shift arrow right. On plot, signal will shift it to the left. See, this is the signal which is span from -2 to 2. When it is advanced, so it will starts with the -4. So it is on the plot, you can see that it is shifted to the left. But first you do on the paper and after that you plot on the paper. So this is a manual operation. Signal will starts from -4 because we are advancing the signal by 2 units. So instead of -2, it will start with the -4. So I will explain only for the first two. Y of -4 is equal to x of -4 plus 2, x of -2. That is x of -2 is shifted to y -4. Y -3 is equal to x of -3 plus 2. That is x of -1, 4. That is x of -1 signal shifted to y of -3. Third operation is very important operation, that is time reversal folding operation. it is nothing but the folded version or the mirrored image of the given signal. Y of n is equal to x of minus n. Same signal 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 occupies from minus 2 to 2. Mirrored image means whatever the positive portion will shift to the negative portion, and whatever the portion of the negative should shift to the positive portion. See, this 0th location will same as it is with value. Now the content at the one location, the above is a location, the content at the one location shifted to minus 1, content at the 2th location will be shifted to minus 2, content at the minus 1 shall be shifted to 1, and content at the minus 2 will be shifted to the 2. Now you can see that this 2 is shifted here, this 1 is shifted here, this 4 is shifted here, and 5 is shifted here. So this is signal, and this is the reverse of the original signal, that is called as a mirrored image or the folded version. Equation becomes y of minus 2 is equal to x minus minus 2, x of 2 equal to 1. So in the similar way we can write down the equation. Next is folding and delay. Original signal is y of n is equal to x of n. Folded signal is y of n is equal to x of minus n. Folded and delayed signal is x of minus n minus k is equal to x of minus n plus k. Now folding and delay operations are not commutative. So folding delay is not equal to delay and folding. So in such operation we require to follow the order. So preference to the folding is more, priority to the folding is more. So first we require to do folding operation and then delay operation. If we do reverse operation, our results are totally different and it is not acceptable. So the operation becomes x of minus n plus k. So minus n means it indicates there is a folding of the signal, and this plus k is not advance because it is comes with the minus k, so it is again delay operation. For this, first we require to do the folding operation. Original signal is same, folded signal we are getting that is the exactly mirrored image of the original signal. Now we require to apply the operation x of minus n plus k. Now we require to shift. See, this is not advance because it is coming with the minus 1, so minus n, so it is delay operation. So in the delay we always shift the arrow to the left side. So this is folded signal, and after that we apply the delayed signal. Now we are moving arrow to the left hand side by 2 units. So 1 unit and 2 units. Now the signal will start from here, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is nothing but the output of x of minus n plus k. Now plus k is not advance because it is coming with the minus n, so it is actually delay operation. This is signal x of n, this is a reverse signal, and this is the folded signal x of minus n plus 2. Folding and delay folding is not same. Folding has the higher priority than shifting. In y minus n plus k, first fold the signal and then shift the signal, to the left. And the second operation that we are going to see now, that is y of minus n minus k, that is first fold the signal and then shift the signal to the right. Now this is the one exercise for you that prove that folding delay is not equal to delay folding. Next is folding and advance. Original signal, folded signal, now folded and advance signal. Now x of minus n plus k, which becomes x of minus n minus k. Here it is not the delay operation. Here as it is coming with the minus n, it is what? Advance operation. In advance we always shift the arrow to the right hand side. Folding advance and advance folding is again not same, that is folding operation as having higher priority. So first do folding and then do the advance operation. Now to achieve this x of minus n minus k, our first step is to apply the folding operation. This is the original signal, same signal is there, which occupy from minus 2 to 2. After folding we are getting this signal. Now the next operation is x of minus n minus k. Whenever minus k is nothing but, here minus k is coming with the minus n, so it is nothing but which operation? Advance operation. And in advance operation we always shift arrow to the right hand side. So this arrow is at the 3 location. When we shift to the right, it will come at the 5th location. So 5th location 0 will start. So this is nothing but the folded and the advance signal. This is signal, reverse signal, folded and the advance signal. This is very important point. Just remember this point. X of n minus k, shift arrow to the left by k units. X of n plus k, shift arrow to the right by k units. X of minus n plus k, fold the signal and shift the arrow to the left by k units. Fold and advance, fold the signal and shift the arrow to the right by k units. So please remember all these 4 rules to do the sketch or signal manipulation. Next is a time scaling operation. Formula is y of n is equal to t of x of n. Two ways are there, downscaling and upscaling. Now downscaling, signal gets compressed. Now see here, y of n is equal to x of 2n. Now you can check that when n is 0, x is 0. When n is 1, x becomes 2. Means what? We are taking the alternative values. For example, see, this is a signal x of n, 12, 13, 45, 56 up to dash 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 59. That is signal occupies from -4 to 4, and this is the 0th location 78. Now when we apply the x of n, we are not taking the all values, we are taking the values at the multiple of 2, because when n is 0, we are taking x of 0. When n is 1, we are taking the x of 2. When n is 2, we are taking the 4. So we are taking which value? Multiple of 2. That is 0th location, 2nd location, 4th location, -2 location, -4 location. Now see the result of x of 2n. We pick up the 78. After that we pick up the 89 and we place at the location 1. Next value is at 59 at 4 location. We will keep at the 2 location. Here -2 comes at 45. We will keep at -1. So we are taking the values which is multiple of 2. When the signal is x of 3n, we are taking the value in a multiple of 3. So we will take 0th location, 3 location and -3 location. And that location will come respectively at the 0th location, 1 location and -1. So 0th 78 come, 23 come and this 13 comes. So this is nothing but what? Signal gets compressed because we are getting only half of the values from the original signal. So this is called what? Downscaling. Now see, this is the manual operation that is for every signal. So we just require to apply all the values and we can check that we are getting only half of the signal. So this is signal x of n and this is the down signal. Sorry, this is upscaling. Upscaling, signal gets expanded. Y of n is equal to x of n by 2. The signal is 45, 56, 78, 34, 89. That is signal occupies from -2 to 2. Please make the correction. This is upscaling. -2 to 2. Now we require to add the dummy values. As dummy values are not present, we are padding with the 0 value. Now this is the n by 2. So here what we require to do, 78 location as it is. Instead of the location 1, that is next location, we fill with the 0. Next location we fill with the 34. Next location we fill with the 0. Next location we fill with the 89 because the signal is n by 2. So 0th location will be as it is. After that, next as it is n by 2, so we require to fill the next location with the 0 and that next location with the original signal. So that signal gets the 0 entries, that is signal gets expanded. For example, if this signal is occupies from -2 to 2, after n by 2 signal will becomes -4 to 4. But in between the values are filled with the 0 because samples are not present. If we take x of n by 3, what will happen? That immediately 2 values are get filled with the 0. Now see, this is 78, 0th location. Next 2 values are filled with the 0 and whatever the third value we are taking from the location 1. Again next 2 values are filled with the 0 and the next location we are taking from the 2. This is nothing but what? Upscaling, that is signal gets expanded. This is the step-by-step operation, that is y of 0 is equal to x 0 by 2, x of 0. You can try with this. That is how actually step-by-step operation can be takes place. So in between there are no samples, so we are replacing with the 0. So this is the operation. So just remember in simple way that whenever downscaling is there, you require to take that multiple values. For example, if 2n is there, we require to take the location 0, 2, 4, 0, -2, -4. And when upscaling is there, we require to put one extra 0 and whatever the location 2, 4, 6, they should be filled with the original signal value. This is the difference between the downscaling and upscaling. Signal multiplication by scalar value. Here the signal is multiplied by a particular scalar value, that is represented by y of n is equal to alpha xn, alpha is 5. This is the equation. After that, multiplying by that scalar value, we are getting that is 4 into 5, 7 into 5 respectively. This is signal and this is a scalar multiplication by alpha to the given signal. Simple operations next are addition, subtraction and multiplication. This is x of n, this is x2 of n. If we add, the corresponding value gets added. This is subtraction, that is corresponding values get subtracted. This is a multiplication, that corresponding values get multiplied. So this is nothing but a simple operation, that is addition, subtraction and multiplication. So this is all about the basic signal operation which generally takes place in discrete time signal. Next video is on various exercises on sketch of the signal. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.